This week we make an original fall cocktail with strong seasonal flavors. Stick around.
The animals, trap, trap, trap till the cages full. The cages full, the day is new, and everyone is waiting, waiting on you, and you've got time.
It's fall, which means it's the season for everything orange. Orange leaves, orange fashion, and orange flavors.
Orange Mocha Frappuccino!
So we want to do our part to contribute to this seasonal cornucopia by developing an original fall cocktail that combines orange flavor with traditional baking spices and booze. Our solution to this sweater weather challenge was to start with strong orange flavors and then set them against equally strong molasses flavor and then bridge the two with a strong kick of ginger and allspice, using Blackstrap Rum, Allspice Dram, ginger syrup, orange curacao, juice, and bitters, along with some cognac to help contribute to the fall apple pear flavors of the season. We call it Orange is the New Blackstrap. But before we continue, please consider giving us a like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. All right, let's kick this thing off with those apple flavors, starting with a ½ ounce of cognac. We're using Remy Martin. Now we'll bring in those molasses flavors with 1½ ounces of Blackstrap Rum. We're using Cruzan. Now let's start forming that bridge of spices with a ½ ounce of Allspice Dram. We'll continue that with 1/4 ounce of ginger syrup. We're using Liquid Alchemist. We'll sweeten it up a bit by using 1/4 ounce of simple syrup. We're using a rich Demerara syrup here. And now we get into those orange flavors with 3/4 ounce of orange curacao. We're using Pierre Ferrand, a ½ ounce of orange juice, and finally 2 dashes of orange bitters. All right, let's pour this into our shaker. Add a couple ice cubes to chill, dilute, and integrate. Shake this for about 10 to 15 seconds. Also just sounds cool. Orangey. We're gonna serve this in an appropriately orange mug from a very special fan of the show. Jorge Garcia, who works up at Valve, sent us this very special 10th anniversary orange box mug. Thanks so much, Jorge. I'm gonna fill this vessel up with some crushed ice. Now, just strain it in. Orange. And finally, to complete the fall season effect, we're gonna grate a little bit of fresh nutmeg on top. Adds a little aromatic flavor. And hey, why not? A little dehydrated orange wheel. Orange. Stick a straw in. And there it is. Orange is the new blackstrap. Let's give this thing a shot. Nutmeg, orange. Yeah, on the front you get that kick of ginger that combines well with the apple flavors of the cognac. That opens up to the orange flavors of the curacao, juice, and bitters, and finishes with the allspice and molasses. A nice Thanksgiving meal of flavors to serve at the table this holiday season. Give this a shot at home and let us know what you think about it in the comments below and if you have any thoughts or suggestions. Until then, happy Thanksgiving. Cheers. Cheers and thanks. Thanksgiving to Thanksgiving drink. This drink is criminally good because orange is the new black. I didn't see this show. I don't know.